Chocolate rain. Peanut wants JB tied up in chains. Chocolate rain. The man known as Sanker's fucking insane. Chocolate rain. Chunky so fucking old he has a cane. Chocolate. Chocolate rain. Where the fuck am I don't know. Oh, chocolate rain. Accent works so hard he's gonna fry his brain. Chocolate rain. Don't get pissed about this one. Chocolate rain. Every time DP chats he gives me pain. Chocolate rain. Every time Sitting sits on his throne he makes chocolate rain. Chocolate rain. Agent is just a fat. I didn't say fat. I came out wrong. Chocolate rain. Agent is just a white family guy who is pissed. God damn it. Chocolate rain. Agent is just a white family guy who's simply plain. Fuck, I couldn't do that one. Chocolate rain. Super Derwishes. He was Bruce Wayne. Chocolate rain. Eclipse has 2 fugly dogs and that's the fucking truth. Chocolate rain. I can't rhyme no more so fuck you all. Chocolate rain. Oh shit, I fucked up. Hold on a second. Here we go. Ah, this is how I wanted to end it. I didn't even think about it till right now. Chocolate rain. Chocolate rain.